use Kaveri water for wash.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. With this bottle of water, what can you do, sir?
I will drink, wash my windscreen.
Then?
That's all. I won't waste water.
That's amazing.
Because water is potable and water scarcity is there.
Okay. We introduced a kit called Daily Quick Wash Kit. Just want to mix it with the 1 liter of water in this container, and you need to add the Rinseless Carver solution 30 ml. Mix it up and spray it on your car. Wipe it up, and for the extra strength, you want to buff with PGSM powder. That's it.
Use Kaveri water for wash.
Yes, sir.
இந்த ப்ராடக்ட் வாங்குறதுக்கு Mayon order.com செக் பண்ணிக்கோங்க. மறக்காம Mayon Auto Garage பேஜை சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணிக்கோங்க.